My wonderful people, oh, how una dey? My people are dey great una according to una time. My people report when e be say dey reach us be say the Edochie's brother, Yul Edochie brothers, in fact the family as a whole, even Sapet Edochie, they don weigh all this whole gbasgbos between Yul Edochie and Judy Austin and Queen May, and they don weigh and check and balance am. My people, as a matter of fact, from authentic source, the information when we say reach us now be say the thing when be say they worry Yul Edochie, the Edochie they don't find out, and they know say Yul Edochie problem now. It start as he go marry Judy Austin. Now according to report, when they see Yul Edochie, they follow his brothers for Nyash, they do. Then they beg Queen May secretly. Now the report will be say reach our. They beg Queen May secretly, say make Queen May accept Yul Edochie. So this whole thing I can just the rain. Say that this court matter make Queen May take down the court case, make them settle, because according to reports, they say Yul Edochie is no longer in Abuja with Judy Austin, and Yul Edochie is now based in Enugu. Yay! Yul Edochie is now based in Enugu. Say the family they suggest say as the thing don't be like this, make Queen May accept Yul Edochie, and since Judy dey for Abuja, Yul dey Enugu, Queen May dey for Lagos. Say they fit run the package like that, run the house like that. Now say like seriously, say Ben don finish for this world, where be say after waiting Yul Edochie did to Queen May, Yul Edochie still dey go about dey beg. My people, even Judy Austin know very well. Judy Austin know very well say Yul Edochie dey beg Queen May, and the Judy Austin papa, he no really dey happy say Yul Edochie dey beg Queen May. But that is why you dey see Judy Austin, they make sure any slightest opportunity when he get with Yul Edochie, he go do enough video, come dey post am. If you see of recent now, you go see say all the video wey be say Judy Austin dey post both for Yul Edochie page, na just to take scatter things. It's either I go post where e dey with belle, or I go post where Yul Edochie dey baby feed pikin, or in the post Star Dike. Star Dike, you know say that pikin na him be the cocoa of the whole matter, na him cause wahala. You go see I say they post Star Dike just to thwart the effort of the Edochies as they want to reconcile Queen May and Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie, he just pretending, according to report, they say Yul Edochie and Judy Austin, the sapa when he develop them, no be small, say they no get money again, they don't broke, say when they forget all these things when they show for social media. Say say she no gum them again, no. And the Edochies, that's the family, Yul Edochie family, don't realize say since when it be say Queen May come on for the life of Yul Edochie, now Yul Edochie come useless. So they try their best. If you don't look if you don't look of recent, Yul Edochie don't go reconcile with Lincoln, and he don't say Lincoln with Queen May, very very close. They see and so he want to through Lincoln penetrate Queen May. But a lot of people they advise Queen May, say make Queen May wise up. So una know say according to report, all the achievement wey be say Yul Edochie and Queen May achieve, both the house wey dem build for village and the one wey be say come make Queen May intensify the court matter. Now the issue say encourage Judy Austin go their house or village. My people, in Igbo tradition, you no get as the one judge in Igbo tradition, the house when e be say e dey for village, In fact, according to the tradition of Igbo, the first son of every marriage, the first son of a man, inherits the obi. That obi now be the house where the father build. That is the meaning of obi. Obi na the house where we say your papa build, the first son. That is your papa build, and the first son is the one that will inherit that house. They call it obi. So whether Yul Edochie carry Judy Austin go for that village mansion, is automatically they know they argue am. You know, get as the one argue am. The first son now get that house. You dey see am so? The first son now get the house. So now Queen May son now get that this house now where Judy and Yul Edochie go stand. Now Carl get am by tradition. Then they, in fact, go the whole of Igbo land. Now so it be. Then they argue am. So my people, if una look very well, if una look very well, if una see the handwriting on the wall of where this matter they go, some people now don't they peddle rumor. That rumor now for another video I go talk am. I don't want to talk am for here now. But the matter when we say dey ground, we say the Edochies, Pet Edochie, even though say Pet Edochie don say in pikin na in pikin im go but support in pikin, make in pikin no go back. So all these things when we say that they do, they know say Yul Edochie psychologically everything is not okay. So the support where the Edochie they support am the same. They know very well say Yul Edochie cannot do without Queen May. They know say even Pet Edochie don't talk and say the success of that marriage is tied to Queen May. Queen May, according to report, is ready to fulfill even both the villagers, everything. He no want their wahala, but they carry their wahala go. If na house, so Queen May get house for Abuja, he get for Lagos, he get land for Enugu. So God has blessed this woman beyond wetin they want talk. Imagine that her Range Rover Sport where una dey see where Queen May buy. That car, if they turn at the amount of that car. So whether I like it or not, Yul Edochie no fit move on. Yul Edochie is finding it very, very difficult to survive. Mona leave this one when it be say Queen May sing song, quick go the open record label. Now to open record label be the thing. Not be to open her, not to get the cash. So Yul Edochie never say anything. So according to report, the Edochies, they know that Yul Edochie really offend Queen May. And Queen May was deeply hurt. When they say somebody was deeply hurt. So, all this one when they do now, and medicine after by. You see and say, Yul Edochie, hey, Queen May cannot accept Yul Edochie. Not when Yul Edochie don't carry himself, go turn to another thing. Don't turn native doctor, turn pastor, turn rector, turn everything, turn Otikbu Jagaban. Queen May cannot equally yoke with unbeliever, uncircumcised Philistine. She cannot at all. So all this one will be say the Edochies that they do. They just they try, but they soften a Queen May heart. Package Yul Edochie, tell her he dress well, everything. For where? Because of what Yul Edochie do. Carry Judy Austin, go their house for village. Queen May say in leg, in hand, no dey that village. Because as Judy Austin they enter the villagers, trust that in I know say juju must flow. So Queen May they have avoid Yul Edochie and Judy Austin like plague. I'm telling you, she they avoid them by all means, and I no go blame Queen May, because wetin Queen May take im eye see for this Yul Edochie hand, im mouth no go fit talk am. No be now wey be say God don repackage Queen May put jara. Na now be say e come be say the Edochies done. They don see say their son, the Yul don useless according to him name. So na Queen May na be the builder repairer, wey sabi build, wey sabi patch man, abi Yul Edochie never see anything. As far as you offend Queen May use all her whole heart to love Yul Edochie, to love am, use all her whole heart. But at the end of the day, wetin happen? Wetin happen, my people? At the end of the day, so the Edochies, all this effort wey be say dem dey put to both Okai rumor, we say that they peddle for where Queen May no send them. Queen May no send them. They don't do all their possible. In fact, Yul Edochie report wey be say they reach us now. Be say they say Yul Edochie broke completely. When they say person broke, Yul Edochie no get shishi. Judy Austin they roast. Leave all this one be say that they do. Then no, if you look and I say Yul Edochie no get one single endorsement. Judy Austin nothing. Now Queen May just dey enjoy her life, they go. So my people, now the matter be say they grant me that. We could like, we could share this video. Those of us will be saying when they watch us for the first time, I say God will bless you now. When I have a nice day. Bye.